So hi guys, welcome to my shop. Here I'm clearing up my beeswax harvest and I have to wait until the water is boiling. And in the meantime I will show you my secret room. And in the beginning I just wanted to add a storing space for materials under the roof, but then I realized I should renew the floor and this was quite expensive. So I decided to make a clean looking secret room in this old building. Here you can see the condition of the roof. And yeah, I took out half of the ceiling and the beam spacing was over a meter, so I added extra beams in between and put on a new OSB floor. Enjoy! And the room still became a storing space, but a storing space for finished art projects and a room for creativity. If you have any suggestions what I should add to the room, just let me know in the comments and please consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, see you on another project, bye.